food chain. It is clear that plants and animals depend on each other for survival. The interdependence between plants and animals can be understood by observing how food passes from one organism to another in a food chain. All the food chains start with green plants that are called producers. Plants are eaten directly by the herbivores. Therefore, they are called the primary consumers. Carnivores indirectly use the food made by plants when they eat the herbivores, thus are called the secondary consumers. When plants and animals die, they are broken down into simpler substances by the action of bacteria and fungi, which are called the decomposers. Balance between plants and animals is essential. If we remove all the carnivores from the food chain, the population of herbivores would increase. It means more plants will be eaten, which will lead to decrease in the number of plants on Earth. This will eventually lead to shortage of food, as plants are a source of food for all living things. Hence, it is essential to maintain a balance between plants and animals in nature. Balance in nature. Nature maintains a balance between the biotic and abiotic components of nature. If this balance is disturbed, it will affect all living things on the earth. Humans have altered the environment to fulfill their needs, causing an imbalance in nature. Man is cutting down forests in a large number to procure land to build houses, factories, and roads. The wood of trees is then used to build houses, furniture, and many other things. Cutting down too many trees and burning of fuels results in the increase in the level of carbon dioxide in nature. This causes an increase in the Earth's temperature and is called global warming. Harmful gases released in the atmosphere cause air pollution and cause an imbalance in the gases present in the air. With the increasing population, there is an increase in the demand of water. Groundwater is being used up at a rate faster than it is replenished. This results in shortage of water. Deforestation results in animals becoming homeless. Man hunts and kills animals for his benefit and pleasure, which has resulted in animals becoming endangered or even extinct. Restoring the balance in nature. The Government of India is taking steps to restore the balance in nature by setting up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. The government is encouraging people to practice afforestation. To increase the level of groundwater, rainwater harvesting has been practiced in some parts of India. This involves allowing rainwater that falls on roofs of houses to flow through pipes into deep holes that are dug in the ground. This helps to recharge groundwater. Rainwater harvesting simply means the collection of rainwater and storing it for later use. Remember that any change in the environment will affect us. So it is important to think before we act.